Yeah, someone in the chat goes, Uber Eats, $8,000. Yeah, this guy, I actually used to follow this dude on TikTok. This dude here. I don't know what his name is, but I actually talked to him at one point. We were going to have him on the channel. I forget what happened. I think he was just so busy because, yeah, he made 8,000 in a month. Yeah, this dude, Sabi Leon. Yeah, he was on
1.8
CNBC.
million views.
Yeah, he was on CNBC as well. But yeah, go check out Sabi Leon, guys, because that's pretty nuts. So let's.
I want to do this challenge.
Yeah, you should. Let's react to this one. So this is a new topic, Izzy, our editor.
Okay.
So now we're talking about this guy, this Uber Eats driver who made $8,000 driving for 30 days.
So I recently decided to start a challenge where I would
Wait, let's make sure this isn't copyrighted. Okay, looks like we're fine.
drive Uber Eats for 12 hours a day for the whole month of June to see how much money I can make. Today is actually the first day of my challenge. First off, I just wanted to show my miles so we could keep track of how much miles I put on my car. But after that, honestly, it was pretty slow.
Wait, what kind of car is he driving? He's driving a Mustang?
Yeah.
No wonder he can do 8,000 because he's driving. He could get to the destination so much faster.
I mean, you still need to follow the traffic laws.
Nah, not on those side streets. You drift in the corners. You're probably delivery times cut in half if you got a Mustang.
So I recently decided to start a challenge where I would drive Uber Eats for 12 hours a day for the whole month of June to see how much money I can make. Today is actually the first day of my challenge.
And
First off, I just
he's
want
running too.
to show my...
You see that? He runs
Yeah.
to drop it.
12 hours a day for the whole
He's making
month
sure
of June to
every,
see how
like,
much money I can make.
Every second is counted.
I just wanted to show my
Yeah.
miles so we could keep track of how much miles I put on my car. But after that, honestly, it was pretty slow in the morning. I want to say half my orders came from Starbucks and maybe a fourth of them came from McDonald's.
You know what? I actually really enjoyed doing food delivery.
Oh,
I used to do Uber Eats. I did Postmates. And I actually really enjoyed it. It's like really like therapeutic in a sense. Because you're like completing tasks.
When it hit about 5:30
Yeah.
to 6 p.m., I was starting to get a little tired, wondering if this is actually something I wanted to do, but I'm going to stick with it. Unfortunately, I didn't get the 12 hours today because there happens to be a curfew in my city right now.
Oh, interesting.
I don't know.
Okay, let's look at the earnings here, guys. Look at this.
Today is the second day in a row that I broke over
Oh, $2,000 in a week, guys. That's crazy.
that's crazy. He's online for 81 hours. That's almost 12 hours a day for all 7 days of the week.
Look how consistent he is with his earnings too. Like every day, it's like almost he's almost hitting like $300 a day.
Yeah.
Like that's really consistent. Usually, when you look at these graphs, it's like up, down,
Yeah.
up, down, up, down, up, down. So somebody in the chat says,
Yeah.
somebody in the chat goes $8,000 minus $3,000 car cost.
Oh, wait. What are these points for?
Oh, to get on Uber Pro to get gas discounts,
Oh,
and you get like better like pickups and stuff, and like
okay.
better rides basically. But yeah, this guy Dietmar Stahl says $3,000 car cost equals $5,000 divided by 360 equals. Wait, 360 what? Oh, 360 hours equals $13.88 an hour, he said. So do you think it costs $3,000 a month to drive that much?
Cost that much?
Yeah.
I don't think so. That sounds like a lot.
I'm assuming he's taking into account wear and tear on your car depreciation.
And like oil changes.
I mean, a
'Cause
car.
you have to get an oil change every like 3,000 miles, right? For the most part.
3 to 5. You can do 5,000, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you're driving like a lot of like stop go stop go stop go, they say to do it every 3,000 miles. Yeah.
Okay.
$50 for gas, $50 for repairs and devaluation. Yeah, car depreciation as well. The thing is, we don't know what year car he's driving. If he's driving a really old used car, the car is not depreciating much at all.
Yeah.
If it's
true.
a newer car, then yeah, your car is going down in value like crazy. That's why you never want to buy a new car.
Yeah.
Because especially for Uber Eats or Uber, because if you're driving a new car and you go and put on 50,000 miles in a year, your car just went down in value by half.
Yeah, it's just a bad investment. Like, I don't know. I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, I always buy used cars.
Yeah.
And you just buy a used car and then sell it like a couple years later. Like you don't need to buy a new car. Like, I don't know. Unless you're like freaking rich, but like if you're really rich, you probably wouldn't be doing Uber anyway.
Yeah, true.
And the amount of money you'll save by like, yeah, you might need to do a few more repairs, but like, go get a car at CarMax that's been, through their 50-point inspection or whatever it is, and buy one that has 90,000 miles on it, whatever. Those cars are still going to like last a long time. And a lot of times they come with warranties too.
Yeah.